Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to use Robinhood for IPO investing, an exciting way to get in on the ground floor of newly public companies. If you've ever wanted to invest in IPOs but weren't sure how to start, this guide has you covered. Let's break it down. What is IPO investing on Robinhood? Robinhood allows eligible users to participate in initial public offerings, IPOs, before the shares start trading on public exchanges. This feature gives you access to shares at the IPO price, which can be an opportunity to invest early in growing companies. How to get started? 1. Check your eligibility. Open the Robinhood app. Go to the IPO Access section and review the requirements. Most users can participate, but make sure your account meets any necessary criteria. 2. Browse available IPOs. In the IPO Access section, you'll find a list of upcoming IPOs with details about the companies, offering dates, and prospectuses. Take your time to research and evaluate potential investments. 3. Request shares. Once you've chosen an IPO, submit a request for the number of shares you'd like to buy. Keep in mind that allocations depend on demand and availability, so you might not receive the full amount. 4. Confirm your investment. If you're allocated shares, Robinhood will notify you. Review the final offering price and confirm your investment. Funds for the purchase will be deducted from your account. Things to consider. IPO investments carry risks, as prices can be volatile after the shares begin trading. Research the company's financials, growth potential, and industry trends to make informed decisions. There's no guarantee you'll receive all the shares you request, as demand often exceeds supply. Why use Robinhood for IPO investing? Robinhood makes IPO investing accessible to everyday investors without requiring large minimum investments. Its user-friendly interface simplifies the process, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Have you tried IPO investing on Robinhood? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next one.